Hi there, I'm Hao, and this is just another video of me solving random LeetCode problem. So we have lucky numbers in a matrix today. So we are given a random matrix of a random size, and we need to find all of the lucky numbers in the matrix, right? And we can return it in any order. Okay, so what is a lucky number? A lucky number is a number that is the minimum in the row and the maximum in this column, right? So it's pretty straightforward. We can iterate through uh, the matrix the first time. So let's say this is our matrix, right? So because the element, the lucky number is element that is the minimum in its row, right? So we can keep track of the like min set, right? Minimum set. We will store the minimum element in each row. So the first time we iterate to the matrix, we're gonna go row by row, right? So the minimum element, the minimum number on the first row is 3, right? The minimum element number on the second row is 9, right? And the next one is 15, right? And we do the similarly, we do the same thing for the max, but in this time, we're gonna go column by column because we want the maximum value in the column, right? So we're gonna keep track of all of the maximum numbers in each column. So in the first column, the maximum will be 15, right? The second column, the maximum gonna be 16, and on the last column, the maximum gonna be the 17, right? So the lucky number is the number that is the minimum in the row, right? And also the maximum in this column, right? So if a number is exists in both set, min and max set, that is a lucky number, right? And we just go ahead and add it to our array and then return it. So that is pretty straightforward. So let's implement this. We're gonna start off by creating some constant here. Let's call this row and column. Personally, I don't like to use m and n. That doesn't make sense to me. So we're gonna have two set, as mentioned earlier. Right. Okay, and then we need our lucky numbers, right? We just store our lucky numbers. And of course, we return the lucky numbers at the end. Okay. Okay, so we need to iterate through the matrix, right? So here is our setup of the loop. It's gonna be column. So after we let's say we already fill out our min set and our max set, right? So at the end, we just have to check if min set dot has number, right? And max set dot has the number. Then we will add it to our lucky numbers array, right? What is num? Num just gonna be the value at in the matrix, right? At the row in a column, right? So we're gonna iterate through the whole matrix, right? And if assuming the min set and the max set is already filled out, right? If the number is in both min set and max set, which means it is a lucky number, right? Because the min set store the minimum number across all rows, and the max set store the maximum numbers in each column, right? Okay, so before that, we need to first fill out our min set and max set, right? So in our first iteration, we can go row by row, right? And find the minimum. Right? So let the minimum equal to infinity. Okay. And if the matrix, right, at the row and the column is smaller than the mean, then we will update the mean, right? Mean equal to matrix at the row and the column, right? And when we finish one row, right, we will add that minimum number into our min set. Dot add the minimum number, right? we do the same thing for the max set, right? But in this case, we need to go column by column. Okay, so the max gonna start at negative infinity. And if this number is larger than max, then we update the max, right? All right, so let's give that a try. And it worked. We were able to do this in O of m times n run times, right? So that is very good. Okay, so thank you for watching.